Yep, it's all about the pockets. You said it. You said it. Thank you, sir.
Sometimes my fanny pack just weighs down. Anyways, I just use my pockets. It's like, you know what I mean? Cigarettes, weed, ever change, phone, lighter, money. I got pockets.
Dogtown, Skate Town, Bernie Town.
You see this fuzzy pillow? That's
Oh, that's dope.
got a leg up there.
Wow, that's dope. That's pro.
What is that for?
Shooting the gun. Maybe. Fuzzy. What's that fuzzy pillow for?
For the Velcro.
It's premium.
Hey, grip that piece off.
Wow. All right. Thank you, sir.
Be good out there.
Thank you.
Yours is done, dude. You better get it before it fucking gets dry. I'll eat after. Just because we're fucking homeless, so we can't eat good.
That's right.
They give this shit out at the Tabernacle.
Oh, really? That's what they, meat to cook?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so then you cook. I'm good. I'm good.
Someone donated us a grill a couple weeks ago.
Nice. So you gotta improvise.
And this thing took 5 minutes, dude. Fucking cops,
That's
they
all
don't
they
get
needed.
it. They ain't got a shit.
My friend's bringing back some trout
Giving
tonight
blood tomorrow.
from the lake.
Timing. Oh.
Went fishing this morning. Yeah.
Oh, you're that guy from the Bernie rally who was getting all rowdy, getting all loud.
Did you get me? Fucking the news.
He's the guy. I'm with him.
I just know the cops gave me a pass. They said, I don't care.
Venice hoodie, nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Premium. Like those kicks, got the bright kicks, visibility.
Oh yeah, nice.
For biking at night. Anything so grandma can see you. Oh. Doctor?
Bro.
Still smoking?
Play some chess.
There it is.
Chess?
Oh, there's always chess. We're waiting for you to appear.
There we go.
Thank you, sir.
The intelligent man.
He's ready.
Yeah. Not that I play, but
We have it. We have it.
it makes me think too much. I like
Oh yeah. I'm gonna throw this chest. We're gonna throw this right here. Go right, I'm on. Shakespeare, you're gonna get it, Shakespeare.
Let's do it, bro.
Let's do it, bro. There's only one way to do it. Do it live. It's the heavy bike, baby.
Park that bike way over there.
Like they say, their voices tell the same. Seems so long I felt this way, and I sure has my time coming any day. Don't worry about me. Don't worry. No, don't worry about me. Now you know. No, don't worry about me.
Smoking? Yeah, we got you. Smoking. Oh, yeah. Why not both? Do it live. going down, folks.
You're gonna lose, dude.
You're gonna lose, dude. Venice Beach. Bring back the freak show. Where to go? What happened to it, dude?
When that was Morgan Wood.
Oh, what was that?
It was a firm, a precious metal brokerage, a sweatshop, actually.
Keep it herbal.
Interesting. Keep it herbal.
It really does kind of keep this small world
She's jamming.
What's going on? I'm zoned out, Marcus.
I'm some deep vegan area.
Jamming over there. She jamming. Kobe and Gigi looking good. Keep it herbal.
No.
I'm Captain Wong, and I'm from South Dakota.
Oh,
Get it, Peloton.
they're running. You don't like these homies jamming over there?
Yeah.